Happy Yule, that's from Julie and Josh. Okay, you gotta take open it. Open it, open it, open it.
Let's do our stockings.
Wait, Kenny has to open a present first. Because he,
first
he was
Kenny.
a good boy and ate his dinner.
Okay, open it up.
Where's the camera gone to?
Josh has
it.
it. Josh has the camera.
Pull.
Rip it, rip it.
What is it, Ken?
Why does this keep happening?
What?
Yeah, it's a Fraggle movie. Can you say thank you?
It keeps changing to house.
Who's that from?
Because it's recording
It's from
everything in
Josh.
House in the World.
I know.
I changed
When
it.
you
You
say
wanna watch
I
it?
know this is the
Only
dancing
record
ice
first
skaters,
runs.
and it's so very
Yeah.
funny, and they fall down.
Somebody must have
Remember?
changed
I
that
didn't.
back. Huh?
Kenny, can you say Fraggles?
Freckles.
First runs are Tuesday
Fraggles.
nights.
These are freckles. This is freckles.
Is that a good present, Kenny?